Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Ross, Professor of Systematic Theology at Erskine Theological Seminary. When the Westminster Assembly was initially called, it was for the purpose of reforming the Church of England. And part of the goal was the reformation of its worship. There were many who were discontent with the worship that was then conducted in the Church of England, particularly the reading of prayers, the whole liturgy written out and followed with no opportunity for kind of spontaneous or conceived prayer as they considered it in the minister leading. The prayers were written, the readings were determined ahead of time, and so on. And there was much discontent over that. And so they rejected the Book of Common Prayer as the plan for walking through a worship service in its various elements. In its place, they wrote what was called a directory for the public worship of God. And the directory outlined the basic elements that were to be put within a worship service. Its basic order and structure was there, but the structure wasn't the main thing. It was identifying the main elements to be incorporated into a worship service. And so what was prayed, what was preached, the text that would be chosen, etc., these would be left to the ministers or pastors of the churches rather than dictated by a central committee or board that had determined what the scripture readings would be for that day and what the prayers would be for that particular day. They envisioned a much more organic process in the life of each individual church as it was being led by its pastor in the worship of God.